Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Libras. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch till the end. I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance. So, this is the card. So, that will give you clarity in your situation, guys. So let's start with these cards, guys, Libras. We have Fool in reverse, Page of Cups, and King of Wands in reverse. So Libras, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today you are working hard, trying your best, doing everything the way you want to do, and you are someone who has ideals and beliefs, and you have rules to follow for yourself, and you do anything and everything in a particular way. So people around you may think of you as a severe or a rigid person who will never be flexible or never adjust. So they are not feeling free with you, guys. So they do not want to communicate freely to you. So something is holding them back, or you are distancing yourself from the people around you today, guys, Libras. And maybe in certain situation, maybe in your work or again in your relationship, you are trying to be really cool, you are not thinking about the consequences, and you are making some decisions. It may be decisions without deep thought. So again, it may land you in some difficulties, or it may be careless choices that may take you towards some difficulties, guys. So you may feel you may just wish that you never decided in such a way, and you could have done something else without deciding so fast, without thinking. So if you are making some important choices today, guys, Libras, you should think it out clearly before you step onto that path or decide something conclusively, guys, for yourself. And also, Libras, in your situation today, it may be in your work or it may be in this relationship. Maybe you are wishing for certain things to happen. You have plans for yourself. You are thinking about your future or planning about your future, wishing for certain things to come towards you. And maybe something is coming towards you, guys, and it may be a positive news, a message, or whatever you were wishing for. Maybe in your work, regarding something in your work, maybe the projects or assignments or deals, maybe you needed an answer for that. So whatever you were wishing for, some kind of a message or information is reaching you, or maybe you wished for this love, for this person to talk to you or come towards you, and that is what you are seeing today, guys, Libra. So some kind of a positive change or move is what you see in your situation, guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card, the Oracle guidance card for you all, guys. Higher Power. Such a beautiful card and an apt card for your reading, guys. So all of us have that divine spark in us, guys. So we are all a part of the divine or the higher energy or God, whatever you call it. So we need to understand that we are always protected and divinely directed. So whatever happens in our life is the divine direction. So maybe sometimes we wish for certain things to unfold in our life today. We just need to pray truthfully within our heart of hearts towards that higher power, guys. and if that is the divine direction, we will surely move towards that wish or that choice, guys. And also, the appearance of this card just means that the person you are in connection with, this person and yourself, you both share a deep spiritual bond, and this person is here with you just for your growth and evolution, guys. So that is the oracle guidance for your Libras, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.